Hey everyone, you've probably seen the video. Cut the top off an onion. Hollow it out, pour in lemon juice and salt, then boil it on the stove for 10 minutes and drink the juice to stop coughs. Sounds cool, but here's the truth, it barely works. Boiling destroys almost all the quercetin and antiviral compounds in the onion. Heating honey, if you add it later, kills its healing enzymes. And in the end, you only get about 1 teaspoon of weak, cooked onion water that tastes awful. Real traditional medicine never boils the onion, because heat ruins exactly what makes it powerful. So please skip the TikTok boiled onion. Your lungs deserve better. Have you tried the boiled onion trick? Drop a comment, did it help at all, or was it a total flop? And if you want the real, super effective recipe that actually works, comment real recipe and I'll send it to you. Like and share so others don't waste their onions.